Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your AC filter. First, prioritize safety by completely powering down your air conditioning unit at both the thermostat and the thermostat circuit breaker. Next, locate your AC filter, which is usually found in the return air duct or within the indoor air handler. Finally, gather your cleaning supplies, including a vacuum cleaner, a mild dish soap, and a soft bristled brush. Once you've located your filter, carefully remove it from its housing, paying attention to the arrows indicating airflow direction. This helps ensure correct reinstallation. Use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to thoroughly remove any loose dust and larger debris from both sides of the filter. For stubborn, embedded particles, gently tap the filter against a hard surface to help dislodge them. For a deeper clean, prepare a solution of warm water and a small amount of mild dish soap in a basin or tub. Submerge the filter completely in this soapy water. Using a soft bristled brush, gently scrub both sides of the filter to remove any remaining grime and buildup. After scrubbing, rinse the filter thoroughly under cool, running water until all soap residue is gone and the water runs clear. After washing, it's crucial to allow your AC filter to air dry completely. Place it in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight, for several hours or even overnight. Ensuring the filter is bone dry is essential to prevent the growth of mold or mildew within your AC system. Once fully dry, carefully reinstall the filter into its housing, making sure the airflow arrows point in the correct direction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.